Finland, a journey of resilience and independence. Imagine walking where the Sami and Finnish tribes once roamed. Land steeped in ancient traditions and folklore, Finland's roots run deep, preserving the essence of its earliest inhabitants. Explore a culture that thrives amidst the beauty of Nordic wilderness, echoing stories centuries old. Step into history at Finland's medieval castles, remnants of Swedish and Russian dominion. These fortresses whisper tales of power struggles, wars, and moments of transformation. With every stone laid, Finland built its resilience, creating a bridge between a turbulent past and an independent future. In 1917, Finland claimed its sovereignty, a testament to its perseverance. Feel the pulse of national pride as you dive into its independence movements. Witness how this nation fused tradition and modernity, emerging as an innovative beacon of the Nordic world. Here, heritage meets innovation. Traditional Finnish saunas and folk music coexist with cutting-edge technology and sustainability. A visit to Finland isn't just a trip, it's a journey through time where culture underpins progress and shapes tomorrow. Be inspired by Finland's story of resilience and independence. Walk through its castles, breathe in its landscapes, and connect with a nation that turns history into a legacy of courage. Book your trip today, because some journeys aren't just about seeing, they're about feeling the spirit of a land.